you go. Got the fuel tank relocated, dropped it down below the cross member. So we gained about 2.5 inches in bed. Made these little brackets on both sides. Got some couple bolts and then these brackets to hold the bottom of the tank cut out. Just welded them to the frame and then drilled some holes, so if you have to take the gas tank out, you can. So, should work good. Gotta stay hydrated in this Texas heat. Gonna pull the doors off today so I can push the cab under the lift, get a little more space for this cutout. Just start hacking on this thing. I'm tired of measuring shit. I'm just gonna get into it, make it work. Well, there's no turning back now. Cut the firewall out. Don't really feel bad because it was fucking toasted anyway. Welded that little brace in there. Trying to keep everything square. And so the whole point of this channel, or us in general, is to have fun. And so far, this 59 Ford that we've been showing you the videos on hasn't really been fun. So last night I made the decision to stop measuring shit, stop thinking about everything, just start cutting it, start putting it together. It got fun. I don't know what to tell you. A lot of times, you know, it's kind of, you don't have to get it right. Just start working on it. And that's what I did last night. Ironically, last night, with the exception of the clip where we pulled the car body off the frame with the David's truck, last night it was fun. And let me show you what's going on. So I've hacked and spot welded, and I got some ghetto stuff going on there, little brackets to hold the radiator support and the core. It's where it needs to be. Spot welded a couple little just hacks. Piece of angle iron there, another piece there, same thing over there. Now that the cab's in place on it, somewhat square, it measures out square. Hell, it's more square than that one over there, and that one's factory frame, so I think we'll be good. But now that everything's together and on there, you know, we can weld the floor up, we can pull the truck up, build mounts underneath on the lift, get everything right. And like I said, last night I had more done than I have in a long time, just because I stopped thinking about it and just went to work. I'm sure some of it's wrong. I'm sure a lot of it's wrong, but it's still gonna be good. It's still gonna be fun. Lots of frame or floor work to do. I'm gonna try to get some way to steer this thing and push it out of the shop and just kind of regroup, clean up the shop. It looks like a bomb went off in here. It's just, I don't know. I don't like working like this. It's not fun to do, and that's the whole point. So